Hi Siddharth,
Hi.
can you please share a key breakthrough moment during this program?
So it happened on day two when we experienced the being, the entire concept of this being. We always took different names, our inner self, soul, but then the way that this thing was, explained to us, taking our personality out of that equation and then discovering that there is a thing called being and what are its traits. So that was like a defining moment. And the comfort or the joy that we experience, we could be so simple, the simplicity that is the characteristic of this being. That simplicity was very touching, and it's like you've seen that high and you would want to go back there again and again and again, and the personality seems such a wasteful thing. So I think that was the breakthrough moment for me.
Beautiful, thank you. What would you say are the key takeaways for you from these 4 days?
So I would say a couple of them. So for my life, like I said, we tend to gather a lot of sludge clutter on the way, and we own it, and we feel that we've achieved something. And the ungrateful wretches, that word is going to stay with me for a very long time, and it's going to remind me of what not to be. So that'll tell me how to approach life, what to take out of every experience that I'm a part of. The second would be in terms of how I project my leadership or how I act like a leader. So I would like to lead my people with these two things that I learned here. One is enrollment. The entire process of enrollment is so beautiful. You're not exercising any authority or any kind of superiority there, and not pulling or pushing. It just comes after that connection happens. So enrollment is one, and the second would be the sorry, it's just there and it went away. So when I talk to my team, the next time I'm going to make use of these enrollment techniques, and also the art, or the fine art of speaking to the listener. I think that is a wonderful experience. It takes time to get it, but once you've got it, you've just got it.
Great. What about a key moment where you felt a deep transformation in yourself? Was there a moment like that for you?
Yes, there were many. The one that is at the top of my mind right now is the visualization exercise. So when he took us into the future, and when we looked at how our life should be or how our life could be, and then when we wrote a letter back to our younger self, I think we could just pour our heart out and tell ourselves, go for it, do it. There's a lot within us. Access that part and be wonderful, joyful souls for the rest of the life.
Can you please share your purpose with us here?
Mother Nature has divine vastness and variety, and these wonders must be experienced by traveling extensively. And when you take a journey outward, you also take a journey inward. My intention is for all of us to take both journeys together, and my privilege purpose in that would be to be the Sherpa.
Thank you so much.